Carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are compounds containing COOH group or carboxyl group. Okay, like this, C double bond OH. So it contains both carbonyl group and hydroxyl group, and this carbon atom is either attached to an aryl group or alkyl groups, and the compounds formed are aromatic carboxylic acids or aliphatic carboxylic acids. Okay. In the case of aliphatic compounds containing carbon atoms from 12 to 18 are known as fatty acids. Okay. They occur in natural fats as esters or glycerol. Okay. There are large number of carboxylic acids occur in nature, and these carboxylic acids are also acts as starting material for many organic compounds. Okay. Next, nomenclature of carboxylic acids. There are two systems of naming: common system of naming and IUPAC system of naming. First, common system of naming. Common system. In the case of common system of naming, the simple acids are known by their common names. Okay, names are derived from Greek word which indicates the original source of the acid. Original source of acid from which the name of the compounds came from. The name of the compound, they got the name from the original source of the acids in the Greek word. Okay. Now, for example, let us take HCOH. HCOH is called as formic acid. Okay. Formic acid. Its original source, formica in Latin, means ants. Formica means ants, from which they got the name formic acid. Okay. Another one, CH3COOH. Acetic acid. Acetic acid, Latin it means acetum. Acetum means vinegar. Okay, from which that compound got the name acetic acid. Okay, next, CH3, CH2, CH2COH. This is butyric acid. Butyric acid. Butyrum in Latin means butter. Okay. Now, while naming the compounds, the word ends with IC acid, ic acid. Okay. The name ends with ic acid in common system of naming. Okay. If substituents are there, they are indicated by alpha, beta, gamma, etc. Okay, this much about common system of naming. Next, IUPAC system of naming. IUPAC system. Here, the compounds are named as alkanoic acid. Alkanoic acid. Alkane. In alkane, E is replaced by OIC acid. Okay. Next point, while naming the carboxyl carbon is numbered 1. Okay, carboxyl carbon is numbered 1. Okay, number 1. Next, third point, while naming the compound, longest continuous chain containing the carboxyl group is selected. Longest chain will be the chain containing the carboxyl group. Okay. Next point. Number of carbon atoms gives the name of the parent chain. Number of carbon atoms gives the name of the parent alkane. Okay. Next point. Next, position. Position is of substituents. Position of substituents is indicated by 1, 2, 3, etc. Position is indicated by numbers. Okay, first position, second position, like that. If more than one carboxyl group, we will give the prefixes di, tri, etc. Now let us take few examples. The common system of naming and IUPAC system of naming. Few examples. First compound, HCOH. In common system of naming, it is called as formic acid. Okay, formic acid, and IUPAC system, methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Second one, acetic acid. This is acetic acid. Okay, and IUPAC system, ethanoic acid. Next compound is propionic acid. Okay, IUPAC system, it is propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Okay, see the difference between two. Next, butyric acid. Butyric acid. Okay, and IUPAC system, it is called as butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. Next compound, valeric acid. Valeric acid. This is pentanoic acid. Next compound, isobutyric acid. Isobutyric acid. And next IUPAC system, it will be 2-methyl propionic acid. Sorry, propanoic acid. 2-methyl, second position, methyl group, propanoic acid. Okay. Next compound. In the common system, next compound is called as alpha beta. It is in the alpha beta position. Alpha beta dimethyl butyric acid. Alpha beta dimethyl butyric acid. Okay. 4 carbon atoms. Alpha and beta position, 2 methyl groups. Next, here it is 2,3-dimethyl. 2,3-dimethyl butanoic acid. Okay. Next compounds, oxalic acid. This is called as oxalic acid in common system of naming. 2 COH groups are attached. This is ethane dioic acid. IUPAC system. Okay. Next, this is malonic acid. Malonic acid. Propane dioic acid. Okay. IUPAC system. Next compound is succinic acid. Succinic acid. This butane dioic acid. Okay. Next, CH2 thrice. That will be glutaric acid. Glutaric acid. Pentane dioic acid. IUPAC system. Next compound, CH2 4 times. This is adipic acid. Adipic acid. This is, the compound name is hexane. This is 4, 5, 6. So hexane dioic acid. Okay. Next, 3 COH groups are attached. This is called as propane 1, 2, 3. Propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Okay. propane, 1, 2, 3, tricarboxylic acid. Okay. Next, in case of aromatic acids, okay, first compound is benzoic acid. In common system, it is called as benzoic acid. IUPAC system, benzene carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid. Next, NO2 group is attached to the para position. So, para-nitro benzoic acid. Para-nitro benzoic acid. Okay. And this is 4-nitro. 4-nitro benzoic acid. Next compound. OH group is attached in the ortho position. So, ortho-hydroxy benzoic acid. Okay. So, next one is 2-hydroxy. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. It's also called as salicylic acid. Okay. Also called as salicylic acid. Next compound, CH2COOH is attached. This compound is called as phenyl acetic acid. Phenyl, a phenyl group is attached to the acetic acid group. So, this is phenyl acetic acid. Phenyl acetic acid. What will be the name of IUPAC naming? 2-phenyl. Okay. 2-phenyl. Second position, phenyl group is attached. 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. Next compound, 2-COH group is attached. This is phthalic acid. Phthalic acid. Okay. This is benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. Benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. Okay. So, we discussed the nomenclature of different carboxylic acids. Okay. Next, structure of carboxyl group. Structure of carboxyl groups. Carboxyl group will be like this. C double bond O, OH. Okay. It contains a carbonyl group and hydroxyl group. Okay. So, like this. Next will be, so it is resonance stabilized. Okay. Like this. Okay. Next, moves here. Sorry. Double bond O plus H. Okay. So, we can see that the carboxyl groups are resonance stabilized. Okay. And the bonds of carboxyl group in one plane, all these are in one plane, and the angle between them is 120 degree. Okay. Due to this resonance stabilization, they are less electrophilic compared to carbonyl group. Okay, less electrophilic than carbonyl group. Okay, this will be the structure of carboxyl group. The structure of carboxylic acid group. Okay, carboxyl group in the carboxylic acids. Okay.